Today's math lesson, lesson 24, is on solving word problems using fraction and decimal multiplication. The students can use computation of multiplication, showing the multiplication. They could also use tape diagrams to show their work. I'm going to do number 1 from their orange book. Jake takes his dog and cat for the pet visit. Jesse's dog weighs 23 pounds. The vet tells him his cat's weight is 5/8 as much as his dog's weight. So that sounds to me like I need, and 115 would be over 8 because 1 times 8 is 8. To change this into a mixed number, we would do 8 into 115, and we could then get 35. 8 goes into 35 4 times. And what would be left over after you do that subtraction is 14 3/8. Now, if you are asked to change your answer to a decimal, you would just take your 14 wholes and you'd have to change 3/8 into a decimal by doing division. We learned this in an earlier lesson last week. 8 goes into 30 3 times, and you bring down the 0 after you subtract, and you get 7. And then you'll have to add another 0, because when you subtract here, you bring down the 0, and you get 40 right here. Okay? So, actually, you could express your answer as a decimal, 14.375 pounds, or you could express it as a fraction, 14 3/8 pounds, depending on what they're asking for. So this little area right here would represent the cat's weight on your tape diagram.